Hey Instagram, Rick here from Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. And good day traders, this is the Futures Trading Coach market recap for the Futures Trading Coach Trading Alert Call Room. Today is July 5th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today in the room. Today we had 3 trades in the ES, 1 trade in the NASDAQ, and 1 in the crude. All of them were winners, and I'm going to run through everything here really quick from left to right. First of all, we had an ES trade, 9:39 Central Standard Time. Some people were in as high as 27. Some people were in as low as 6/4. That was right on the 9:39 candle right down here. Called the price right in there, anywhere right in there. Boom, trade made up. And we made up to 3 points, 3+ points on that trade. Market came down. I told everybody that this area right here was going to be a little bit of a bear. Okay, but if they can get down to 22, that sets the stage for us to go considerably lower to see if they can take it down and how far. So we got short in here. Some people made a point and a half. Some people got in, added, had a break even, or actually you never had to add to the trade. Some people did, just to get a better price, and then got out. So up to a point and a half in here. Those who hit it again over here, would have made profits a couple points from here. So up to a couple points in the trade. And then when we got down to the 22, again, hit it again, and that trade made from 22 down to 17, so almost 5 points. 5 points, and in fact, and this was what we were waiting for. This was the area where I said we were going to see if this thing was going to go down to flat and negative, or if buyers were going to step in at some point. Biggest candle of the morning, we were short. Well, biggest candle so far. And again, trade made up to about 5 points. Then we had a long coming up here, but since we hadn't had a lot in the NASDAQ, you can see they both kind of did the same thing. We took the long in the NASDAQ. The methodology does work on any market as long as it's liquid and fluid. So we got long around 70. And that was at 11:24 Central Standard Time. Trade made up to 60 ticks before our warning flags came in, right up in here between the circle and right here. Had a few people wanted to stay in. We just closed the room. I told them we may see 90 or higher. We're sitting there right now and still running. But so the trade made, up to 50, 60 ticks for most people, and then up to 80 ticks for those who wanted to stay in after the room closed for the next target. And then in crude, we took a power play, and that was at 74.05, and that trade made about 20, almost 25 ticks here. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day, and safe trading, everybody.